Rituals are the heart of magic. They help us shape energy, appeal to the unconscious, and align our will with the changes we seek. But planning a ritual can take time and effort. So what if we could use AI to automate the process? In today's video, we're diving deep into how to use AI to design rituals, create correspondences, craft sigils, and more. Let's explore the possibilities. In Chaos Magic, rituals are powerful because they bypass the conscious mind, appealing directly to the unconscious to reprogram our beliefs and focus our actions. When we perform a ritual, we engage the psyche with symbols, actions, and emotions. These tools help us channel energy, shape our thought patterns, and influence how we act in the world. But here's the secret: you don't need a pre-made grimoire to create rituals. With AI, you can design rituals that are entirely personal, unique, and tailored to your specific goals. Let's create an example ritual using AI to demonstrate its power. Say your intent is to manifest confidence. Here's how we can automate the process step by step. Start by asking AI to generate the structure of a ritual. Prompt: create a step-by-step ritual for manifesting confidence using Chaos Magic principles. Include preparation, actions, and a closing. AI response: 1. Preparation: cleanse the ritual space with incense or sound. Gather a yellow candle, symbolizing confidence, a mirror, and a sigil representing self-assurance. 2. Opening: light the candle and focus on its flame. Recite: I invoke the strength within to shine without. 3. Core ritual action: stare into the mirror, visualizing yourself radiating confidence. Draw the sigil on paper, energize it with your breath, and burn it to release your intent. 4. Closing: thank the energies you've called upon. Snuff the candle, carrying its energy with you. By breaking down the ritual like this, AI makes the process straightforward and easy to follow. Next, you can teach AI to suggest correspondences for your ritual. Prompt: what correspondences align with confidence and self-assurance? AI response: color, yellow or gold, symbolizing strength and radiance. Element: fire, for passion and transformation. Herbs: bay leaf, ginger, or cinnamon, for courage. Symbols: the sun, a lion, or a lightning bolt. You can also teach AI your own symbolic system. For instance, if you associate eagles with confidence, you can prompt AI to include that symbol in its suggestions. Now let's automate sigil creation. Prompt: simplify the statement, I am confident and powerful, by removing vowels and duplicates, and suggest an abstract design using the remaining letters. AI response: simplified statement, MCNFDNTPW. Sigil suggestion: AI generates a design based on the shapes of the letters. You can refine the AI's design or use it as inspiration for your own sigil. Tools like DALLE can even create an artistic version of your sigil for added visual power. There are clear advantages to automating your rituals with AI. 1. Efficiency: AI saves time by quickly generating outlines, correspondences, and sigils. 2. Personalization: you can train AI to understand your symbols, paradigms, and preferences. 3. Creativity: AI introduces fresh ideas and combinations you might not have considered. For example, it might suggest a symbol from an unfamiliar culture, sparking a new connection for your practice. But there are also limitations to consider. 1. Impersonal results: AI doesn't experience intuition or emotion. It's up to you to imbue the ritual with your energy and intent. 2. Loss of improvisation: rituals designed by AI may feel rigid, leaving little room for intuitive changes during the process. That's why AI should be a tool, not a replacement, for your magical creativity and will. With AI, ritual planning becomes faster, more creative, and deeply personal. It's a tool to amplify your magic and open new doors of possibility. If you're ready to dive deeper into how AI can transform your chaos magic practice, grab a copy of my book, Hacking Reality: Supercharging Chaos Magic with Artificial Intelligence. It's packed with techniques, examples, and ideas to take your magic to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and start hacking your reality today.